Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 problem with wireless adapter or access point. First method is click Start Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click More Network Adapter Options. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Disable. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Enable. Second method is click Start, type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, IP space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Third method is, type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. If same error still exists, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. If same error still exists, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall device. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.